So y'all, good afternoon, evening, I don't know what you want to call it, y'all. Today is the day after my trip. I put the time step at the bottom. It is 3:40 p.m. y'all. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, I slept until like 12, and then I was just unpacking to get some stuff done. I was gonna wear my ponytail, but y'all, it's snowing and it's snow all in my scalp, and yeah, we ain't finna do that. But now I gotta pull it back up because now I look crazy. Anyways, y'all, we finna go to the store. I don't know how y'all do when y'all go on trips, but we didn't have no groceries because I didn't want nothing to spoil. We was gone. So y'all excuse my points. I'm gonna lean to the side while I'm in the car. I'm finna go to the grocery store. I gotta go to a couple stores today. Ooh, y'all, my scalp itch. I need to wash my hair. I gotta go to Jewel's. I gotta go to our African market, Sam's Club, maybe Aldi's. Everything is in my area. The only thing that's not in my area is Sam's Club. And I was debating on going to Walmart too, but the way gas is and the way how much gas I got in my tank right now, I don't think we're gonna do Walmart and Sam's Club. It's gonna either be Sam's Club or Walmart, and I don't really need a whole bunch of stuff from Walmart, so I may just go to Sam's. Right now I'm gonna go get me something to eat, y'all. I'm so hungry. I gotta go get some takeout. Y'all, I am not comfortable in my car. It's the seat. I don't usually wear my coat, y'all. Hold on. So y'all, I'm just in the McDonald's drive-thru, waiting to get my food, y'all. Ooh, y'all, my scalp is so bad, but I'm waiting to get my food. So, ooh, y'all, my scalp. Ooh, if you all got locks, y'all know how that scalp be itching, y'all. Thank you. Thank you. Y'all, tell me why my fat butt made this order like before I got in the shower, y'all, and just now came to come pick this up. I made this order like 30 minutes ago before I got in the shower. Did come and get it to like another 30 minutes later, y'all. But I had to make sure it was just gonna be ready. So okay, let me just pop one up out here. Y'all, how y'all doing though? My trip was okay, y'all. I ain't gonna say, see, this is what I thought Arizona weather was gonna be. I thought it was gonna be desert. It's giving desert, it's giving hot, it's giving bikini, it's giving, baby, when I tell y'all Arizona felt like here with no snow. Long. And then I only packed like summery-ish type of clothes, and the only like clothes I had that was proper was my airport clothes because I was coming from Chicago, so I didn't even really have nothing to wear. We didn't really do nothing, y'all. I set up in that Airbnb and that was all I did, really. So y'all, this is a little back way to going to Sam's Club. If y'all know the one in Evanston, you come through like where they be docking their little trucks in, and y'all excuse my white boy, y'all, because this is raining. And this Sam's Club here on the side, I don't even know if y'all can see it, but y'all didn't see me haul this Sam's Club before. Do gotta get some household stuff, do gotta get some foodie stuff, so we'll see what we got. I heard there's a lot of deals at Sam's Club, but I ain't been here in a minute. Like, I ain't even gonna hold y'all, I have not been to Sam's Club in a minute. So we found us a decent little park. Usually they ain't got no good park yet. And me, I like to park next to the cart machine. Hold on, we're gonna drive up a little bit more. Cause there was a bunch of water right there. That's probably why ain't nobody parking right there. But yeah, y'all, I'm finna finish my food and then I will keep y'all up to date on what I get from Sam's Club. for too freaking long, not because of my own accord, but because of my cash register person, y'all. So let me explain to y'all what happened. I'm gonna put my order up in this video so y'all will see my order and everything I paid for, y'all. So basically, I have a link card and I have a Sam's Club gift card that I was gifted. Let me turn my windshield wipers off for y'all. So I told the lady, I said, before she scanned anything, I said, I'm paying with a link card and I'm paying with a gift card. Can you please use the gift card first, because I want the total of the pants to come off with the gift card, and then I'll use the remainder of the gift card for whatever food stuff I bought, and then whatever's left over after using the gift card, I will pay with my link card. How complicated is that? So I don't know how everybody's system works, but what I was thinking was, I was like, well, let me just tell her to just scan the jeans alone, pay for use the gift card, and then use the remainder of the gift card and link card for the second transaction. She was like, no, it all can do it on one transaction. So I went ahead and let her do it like that. And tell me why we literally just did all of that for it to not work, and for us to still do it the way that I said that we should do it originally. Then people behind me in line are like, why are you constantly having her scan it and pay for? I said, if you would like to, you can go to the other line. I said, there's only 2 people working anyways. You were going to wait regardless, or you could use scan and go. So I was like, I'm not trying to be snappy. I didn't say this to them, but in my head, I'm like, I'm not trying to be snappy, but there's only 2 people with the cash register working, but you can clearly go and use scan and go if you need to. I tried to use scan and go, y'all, because that's what I normally do, but with this gift card, you have to be cashed out with a actual person. You can't even use the little self checkout with this like gift card. I don't know if y'all ever use a Sam's Club gift card, but sometimes it works online and sometimes it don't. And then sometimes when you go in, you have to be checked out with an actual like person at the register type of thing. So that's what I had to do. And it was just irritating me because I literally just spent way too much time here. I didn't even show y'all what I got. Like I said, it'll be in the order. I don't know if I even took a picture at the register. If I did, y'all will see it, because that just really irritated me. I just spent too long in here to not even get a whole bunch of stuff. I just wanted to use my little gift card because I was already coming over here, and I'm probably not gonna be coming over here for a minute because we didn't even really need nothing today, honestly. So I doubt we'll even need something like that within another 2 weeks or so, maybe besides water. So y'all, we're going to the next store. I don't even know where we're going right now. I'm just a little irritated right now. We'll figure out where we're gonna go. So y'all, we're actually going to this First African market that I don't really go to like that, but I forgot they be having stuff on sale. So we're gonna go to the First African market because I don't know if we're gonna go to all 3. I don't know if we're gonna just go to 2. But we finna just go to the first. We just gonna call it the First African market. It's literally like up the street from where I'm kind of at. So we'll just head there first, and then we'll see what we can get from there and go from there. So I will see y'all at the First African market.
Woo!
So y'all, we just came out of Jewel's. I only strictly got Aviva's wick. What else did I get out of there? I'm lying. I did get some other stuff out of there. Oh, I got some ice cream cones with nuts. I got this submarine like oil that my sister used when we was in Arizona, y'all, and it really like makes your sandwiches taste better. So I got that, and then I got Sean some croissant bread because he usually likes those. That was the only thing I like used on my link card, but everything else I got on my wick, like the normal cereal, oatmeal, fruits and vegetables.